Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Cadillac CT6 versus Lincoln Continental. Let's dive into their core philosophies and see what each luxury sedan offers. The CT6 aims for a more agile and engaging drive, appealing to those who enjoy a spirited journey. Conversely, the Continental focuses on delivering a supremely comfortable and quiet ride, perfect for long cruises. We'll explore how these distinct approaches manifest in their design and performance. When it comes to performance, the Cadillac CT6 typically offers a range of potent engines, including impressive twin-turbo V6 options, providing a more dynamic and responsive feel. Its active chassis management contributes to sharper handling. The Lincoln Continental, however, focuses on a refined and smooth power delivery, ensuring a serene cabin environment. Its adaptive suspension is tuned for maximum comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Stepping inside, the CT6 presents a contemporary and tech-forward cabin, often equipped with a large touchscreen and intuitive controls. Its design leans towards a modern, driver-centric feel. The Continental, on the other hand, embraces a more traditional luxury, with rich materials and a focus on passenger comfort and spaciousness. Both sedans offer sophisticated infotainment and a suite of driver assistance technologies for enhanced safety and convenience. Ultimately, choosing between the CT6 and the Continental depends on your priorities. If you value a more engaging driving experience with modern tech, the Cadillac might be your choice. If supreme comfort, a quiet ride, and classic American luxury are paramount, the Lincoln Continental stands out. Both offer compelling packages in the luxury sedan segment. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.